Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Anisa Hazimah. My group members are Ashraf Wajdi and Nur Ashikin. Today we are going to present about ion-selective electrode. So this is the diagram of basic setup. The basic component of the ion-selective electrode consists of the potentiometer electrode, internal electrode, sample solution, and complete circuit. The ion is changed across the membrane leads to a potential difference across it. The potential difference reflects the composition of the contacting solution on either side of the membrane. The indicator electrode responds with an electrolyte. Ion-selective electrode is an important instrument for analyzing various electrolytes like sodium, potassium, chloride, and lithium in the pathology laboratory.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Ashim binti Mukhtar. So let me continue this presentation about ion-selective electrodes. So at first, I will explain the ion-selective electrode, which we call as ISE. So ISE is it produces potential that is proportional to the concentration of the tested analyte. So making measurement with ISE is a form of potentiometry. So the most common ion-selective electrode is the pH electrode, and this glass membrane responds to the hydrogen ions concentration in a solution. Okay, so next we move to the types of ions measuring electrons. First, glass ion-selective electrodes. Second, liquid-based electrodes. Third, solid-based electrodes, and the last one is compound electrodes. So actually, ion-selective electrode is operational procedure. At first, rinse the ion-selective electrode and place it for dry, and then rinse the reference electrode. But for reminder, we should to gently bolt the tip of both electrodes. So the next, rinse the dry stir bar and rinse again the sample beaker at least 3 times. And the last one is prepare standard samples and a test sample. Then we can sequence measure the standard sample and test sample. I think that's all from me, so I will pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
So I will continue. There are several kinds of electrons that we will use to make selective ions. Among of them is potassium, lithium, sodium chloride, calcium, and bicarbonates. So the last one is components of ion selective electrodes. So the first one is ion selective membrane, internal reference electrode, external reference electrode, and the last one is voltmeter. And that's all from us. Thank you for listening.